Have you ever wondered what your job will look like in 2026 when AI agents are no longer science fiction, but actual co-workers, assistants, and in many cases replacements? Because the truth is, the AI agent revolution isn't coming, is already here. And by 2026, millions of everyday jobs will look completely different, not because humans got lazy, but because AI agents got smart. These are not just chatbots. They're autonomous, decision-making digital workers that can plan, execute, and optimize tasks faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better than humans. So in this video, we'll explore how AI agents are quietly taking over traditional roles from customer support and marketing to HR and software development. We'll break down real examples, real numbers, and most importantly, what you can do to stay ahead in this new AI economy. Let's begin. Part 1. The rise of AI agents. So, what exactly are AI agents, and how are they different from the AI tools we use today? Think of tools like ChatGPT or Claude. They respond when you ask something. But AI agents, they act. They don't wait for instructions. They take goals, make decisions, and complete entire tasks autonomously. OpenAI calls this shift agentic AI. Anthropic calls it autonomous workflows. And in 2025, hundreds of startups, from Adapt to Cognition Labs, are racing to build the world's first general-purpose AI employee. Here's the mind-blowing part. AI agents can already read emails, draft reports, make sales calls, analyze data, schedule meetings, update spreadsheets, manage CRM entries, all without human supervision. In companies that have adopted them, productivity has jumped by 40 to 60%, and operational costs have dropped dramatically. By 2026, these AI agents won't just assist employees, they'll replace entire workflows. Part 2. The first wave of jobs being replaced. Let's talk about who's first in line. The first wave is already happening in customer service, sales, and admin roles. A company called Air recently tested an AI agent for customer support. It handles 70% of incoming tickets without human input. Another, Synthflow, deployed AI voice agents for outbound calls, converting leads with a 25% higher success rate than human agents. That's just the beginning. In marketing, AI agents can now plan campaigns, write ad copy, generate visuals, schedule posts, analyze engagement, and optimize results, all on autopilot. A single marketer using a few AI agents can do the work of an entire team. The same is true for recruiters. AI systems can scan 10,000 resumes in seconds, schedule interviews, and even handle candidate follow-ups without a single email typed by a human. This doesn't mean humans disappear, but the structure of these jobs will. The ratio of humans to tasks will shift. One human will manage 10 AI agents, instead of 10 humans managing one workflow. Part 3. White-collar automation is coming. A lot of people still believe that automation only affects factory workers or manual labor. But that era is over. The next wave of automation is targeting white-collar jobs. Accountants, analysts, consultants, writers, and even coders are facing a massive AI-driven transformation. Take finance, for example. AI agents now analyze reports, predict trends, generate investment strategies, and even communicate with clients with real-time data from Bloomberg APIs or company dashboards. In legal firms, AI tools are already drafting contracts, reviewing cases, and analyzing precedent, work that used to take junior associates days. In programming, GitHub Copilot, Devin, and Meta's Colama are just the start. By 2026, most entry-level coding, debugging, and testing will be handled by autonomous dev agents that run continuously, checking for errors, deploying updates, and managing repositories. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2026, 43% of work tasks will be handled by AI systems. That's nearly half of all repetitive knowledge work, gone or transformed. Part 4. How AI agents actually work. To understand how this shift is possible, let's break down what makes AI agents different. Each AI agent has 4 components: perception, reasoning, memory, and action. They perceive the environment, like emails, documents, or web data. They reason, making decisions based on goals. They remember, storing past interactions for context. And they act, sending emails, writing code, generating reports, and even interacting with APIs. Imagine hiring a virtual employee that works 24/7, no breaks, no burnout, learning every day from its own data. Companies are already deploying agent swarms, networks of multiple AI agents collaborating. One handles research, another writes content, another analyzes data, all communicating in real time. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening inside real startups right now. Part 5. Industries that will be reshaped by 2026. So which industries will AI agents disrupt the most by 2026? Let's look at 5. Customer support and BPOs. This industry employs over 17 million people globally. AI agents can now handle multilingual conversations, analyze sentiment, and provide instant resolutions. Entire call centers are being replaced by AI-based support teams. Marketing and advertising, copywriting, campaign design, ad placement, all are being automated. AI agents can track ROI and adjust strategies on the fly. Big brands like Coca-Cola and Nike are already using generated ad concepts. Finance and accounting, from bookkeeping to fraud detection, AI agents are outperforming human auditors. Banks are adopting compliance AI to monitor millions of transactions in real time. Healthcare administration, AI agents are managing scheduling, insurance claims, and patient communication, freeing doctors to focus on care instead of paperwork. Software development, AI engineers like Devon can now design, write, and debug software projects. This will drastically reduce the number of human developers needed for simpler builds. By 2026, over 300 million jobs could be partially automated by AI agents, according to Goldman Sachs. Part 6. The human side. What happens to workers? Now here's the big question. What happens to people when AI takes over everyday work? The truth is, not all jobs will disappear. But all jobs will change. If you're in a repetitive, rule-based role, AI will likely replace large parts of your workload. If you're in a creative, strategic, or interpersonal role, AI will become your assistant, not your competitor. The winners will be the ones who adapt fast. People who learn to manage AI agents, who understand prompts, automation workflows, and data will become the AI supervisors of this new era. In 2026, one skilled professional will control a small army of agents, each performing specialized work 24/7. This means instead of fearing AI, you can leverage it to multiply your productivity. Part 7. Real companies leading this shift. Let's look at real examples. xAI, Elon Musk's company, is developing self-learning agents that can browse the web and automate research for Tesla and SpaceX. OpenAI's GPT agents are already being tested by enterprises to handle internal support and project management. Anthropic's Claude workflows are being used by startups to manage customer requests end-to-end, zero humans involved. Microsoft's Copilot agents now automate tasks across Outlook, Teams, and Word, replacing virtual assistants and analysts. Runway and PK Labs are building creative agents that edit videos, design ads, and storyboard automatically for marketers. This is the agent economy, and is expanding faster than any previous tech revolution. Part 8. The ethical dilemma. Of course, with every revolution comes risk. Job displacement is real. Millions of people may struggle to adapt. There are also concerns about bias, privacy, and accountability. If an AI agent makes a mistake, who's responsible? If an AI salesperson misleads a customer, who pays the price? Governments around the world are now rushing to create AI agent laws. The EU's AI Act already defines how autonomous systems can operate legally. The US, Japan, and India are drafting similar frameworks. In the meantime, the smartest move individuals can make is education. Learn the tools, understand the systems, and position yourself to use AI before it uses you. Part 9. The Future of Work, Humans plus Agents by 2026. Work won't be human or AI. It'll be both humans and AI agents working together. Imagine logging into your dashboard and seeing your agents already summarizing yesterday's data, scheduling your next week, writing emails, editing videos, and researching competitors, all before you wake up. Your role? Decision-making, strategy, creativity. You'll spend less time doing and more time directing, like a CEO of your own digital team. This is where the real opportunity lies. The people who understand how to orchestrate AI agents will become the new class of entrepreneurs, running lean, scalable micro-businesses with massive impact. Part 10. How to prepare for 2026. If you want to stay ahead, start learning the skills that AI can't easily replicate. Learn prompt engineering and agent design, master tools like OpenAI GPT's Claude workflows, or AutoGPT. Understand automation logic. Learn Make, Zapier, and LangChain, the infrastructure that connects agents to data and APIs. Build your personal AI stack. Use AI for note-taking, task management, and idea generation. Treat it as your co-founder, not your competitor. Stay adaptable. The future belongs to people who can learn fast, not those who cling to old systems. And most importantly, stay creative. AI may be powerful, but it still needs human direction. Outro, call to action. So there you have it, the truth about how everyday jobs will be replaced by AI agents in 2026. Some people will panic. Others will prepare. And the ones who prepare will build the next generation of startups, agencies, and solo empires powered by AI. The question is, which one will you be? Because the future isn't waiting. It's already being automated, one agent at a time. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the AI revolution, and comment below. Which job do you think AI agents will replace first? Let's start the conversation.